Hi, I'm Kyler Steffen, R&D technician here at KAGE Innovation, and today I'm going to be showing you guys our new revision to our wing plow control harness. If you're familiar with the old design, you look in here, you're going to notice that it looks a lot different. This is an additional 5 feet longer than it was before. Looking at the end of the harness, we have a small relay box here, and we still have our same 12-volt cigarette lighter. We also have this M12 plug sticking out. Now what this is for our two different options of controllers. We have significantly improved our push button controls. So in the past we had a cylindrical 3-puck system, but now we have an inline 3-button system. And if you look closely, you'll see that this is extremely unique in the way that we've built this. This is actually made out of potting compound. So you'll see that the buttons are flexible. This allows you to mount it to virtually anything you want to mount it to very seamlessly and very neatly. So if you'll look closely, we made this as small as we could. It's only about 3 inches long and about 3/4 inches wide. So this makes it so that you can mount it onto your joystick and it's almost like it's not even there. So it fits in your hand nicely. The 3 buttons are very easy to access and push. And you'll see we have also these grooves built into here. These grooves are specially designed for zip ties for mounting to your joystick so that it grips it very well. We have the 3 push button control, and then we also have a foot pedal control. So when you order your harness, you're either going to pick your push buttons or your foot pedal. And the way you switch that is just by unplugging this M12 connector and then plugging in the other option. Now with the foot pedal, you have about 10 feet of wire here, and you're able to mount this on your floor anywhere you like and use your feet to control the wings. So since we have 3 buttons, we have 1 button that will control your left wing, 1 that will control your right wing, and then the 3rd button will do both wings at the same time. Now that compared to our foot pedal will only do left wing or right wing. For this application, we have our push buttons mounted to a 4066 tractor. So in this case, I used electrical tape to mount it because this joystick here has such an odd shape. Zip ties will just slide kind of off of either end. So I have it mounted right where my fingers usually rest, and it's at a very easy, accessible spot to press. In this case, you'll see I have this mounted up inside of our loader. So I utilized our zip tie slots here, and then I can easily mount this to the back side of our joystick right in place where my fingers usually rest. So this is a very comfortable grip, and it still gives me full grasp on the joystick, so I'm not trying to reach around it awkwardly.